Immunization schedule. Now we see about national immunization schedule. We will take vaccine different time according to when we will give vaccine. As we know, first start at birth, next 10th, 6th, 10th and 14th week, later on 9th to 12th month, then 16th to 24th month. After that 5 to 6 years, at last one 10 and 16 year. At birth we will give 3 vaccine. First one is BCG vaccine, root intradermal, gives left upper arm before 1 year, 0.05 ml till first month, later means 0.1 ml. Then second vaccine hepatitis B, given root intramuscular, given at anterolateral mid thigh within 24 hours, dose 0.5 ml. Then oral polio vaccine, 0 dose, orally we will give within 15 days. Second one is at 6, 10 and 14th week. Here 3 different type of vaccine we will give. First one is oral polio vaccine, 1, 2, 3, 2 drops we will give orally. Second one is rotavirus vaccine, orally we will give 5 drops. Then pentavalent 1, 2, 3, root intramuscular, then given at anterolateral left mid thigh, dose 0.5 ml. This pentavalent vaccine is combination of TPT, diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, along with hepatitis B and Haemophilus influenza. Then 2 choices is there. First one is IPV, intramuscular, that given at anterolateral right mid thigh, only at 14th week, dose 0.5 ml. Otherwise fractional IPV, first and second, root intradermal, doses given right upper arm only at 6 to 14th week, dose 0.1 ml. This one differ from state to state. Then 9th to 12th month. Here also we will give 3 different type of vaccine. Measles 1, root subcutaneous, given at right upper arm, dose 0.5 ml. Then second one is JE, Japanese encephalitis 1, root subcutaneous, given at left upper arm, 0.5 ml dose. Third one is during this time first dose of vitamin A also will given, 1 lakh international unit orally. Then 16 to 24 month. Here we will give booster dose of TPT1, intramuscular, given at anterolateral mid thigh, dose 0.5 ml. Second one is oral polio vaccine, booster dose 2 drops orally we will give. Why we are giving these 2 type of booster dose means it will boost our immune system. Then measles 2, root subcutaneous, right upper arm, dose 0.5 ml. Then second dose of Japanese encephalitis JE2, root subcutaneous, given at left upper arm, 0.5 ml. Then second dose of vitamin A also recommended, orally we will give 2 lakhs international unit. Then from this time vitamin A given at every 6 months till 5 years, doses range 2 lakhs international unit orally. Next one is 5 to 6 year, second dose of TPT, root intramuscular, left upper arm, given at then dose 0.5 ml. Then 10th and 16th year of age, second dose of TT, tetanus toxoid injection, root intramuscular, upper arm, 0.5 ml. Then we see about safe vaccination for pregnancy. First dose of TT injection early pregnancy. Second dose of TT injection given at 4th week of first TT. If she was pregnant with last 3 years and she has received 2 dose of TT means now she required only 1 dose of TT. All doses given intramuscular upper arm only, dose reach 0.5 ml only. This yellow fever vaccination also sometimes we will travel to endemic countries. See, acceptable only, no evidence for side effect. Some safe vaccine for pregnancy, hepatitis B, influenza, tetanus and rabies.